Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I've got an Era 4 lever, which is a little different. But this came in a bulk buy and originally looked like this. I've cleaned it up a little bit. At first I didn't even realise this was a 4 lever, I thought it was an Era 5 lever, so nice surprise. The shackle is actually already open, but the bolt's locked. That's not actually deliberate this time. Let's see if we can get this locked properly. Oh, not that much different to picking an Era 5 lever. It's still got no false gates in it. Only difference is now we only have 4 levers to pick.
Just 4?
Yes, just 4. I think my tensioner was interfering with them a little bit there. Oh. Apparently the dog needs a bath.
I only know that because he's got his face like right in my face because he's cuddling us.
There we go. That's open. I'm going to try not to throw the bolt all the way because I don't want to have to pick it closed again. There's the shackle closed and you're now properly locked up. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. I did it!
Well done.
did it! 240! That's such a cute
I don't know which one that